This is really amazing. Today is the 17th of November 2020. We got inside even with automatic doors here from the 97. Oh, need to take it again. Yeah, this is really amazing. Today it is the 17th of November 2020. This is Valtuustonkatu 9. Mistäkin se ei Järvenpää työskennellä. Finland. It's rare. Without the doors, single speed. I mean with automatic doors, sorry. It's the bit original today. Wow. It's good in 1980. Turning 40 years old this year in 2020. Wow. With the land indicator inside. Page 44373 is the serial number. The door's a bit noisy. It's going to be inspected in 2022. The capacity is 4 persons over Take 2 runs.
Yeah.
Such a surprise. Single speed.
Yeah.
It's even more rare.
Yeah.
This is so unexpected. Didn't think this would happen. The same type, also in Hyvinkää.
Yeah.
With the green doors from 1980 as well.
Yeah.
Maybe this is from 1980.
Yeah. There was also one from 1976 in Hyvinkää, but it has now been modernized, unfortunately.
Did I film it ever?
No, but I filmed it and Kasper also.
Okay. But the floors B and 2, the lamps are broken.
Yeah.
I really love this one. Although they should change the lamp. One for B and 2.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone, inspected, maintained by Kone.
And we need to get into the series B as well.
Yeah.
So rare. But to that, the lamps don't work in the cab. It's the same as a Hyvinkää. And the 1976 one, did it have bumpers?
No.
Oh, okay. So it's a simple door.
Yeah.
I see. When was it modernized?
I'm not sure, but probably 2018 or 19.
I see. Well, thank you very much for watching.
That's
Hope you enjoyed.